أحبائي طلبة الصف الثالث الابتدائي جريد 3 برحب بكم أولا. Our lesson today is Unit 1 multiplying by 10, 100, 1000. We have been learning before that. اتعلمنا قبل كده لو قلت 5 plus 5 plus 5 this is repeated addition plus بيتكرر. We can convert it into multiplying. How? 5 times what? 1, 2, 3. Why 3? Because number 5 has been repeating 3 times. It occurred 3 times. 5 by 3 equal 15. If I write 10 plus 10 plus 10, 10 repeated 3 times. We can write it 10 times what? 1, 2, 3. 10 by 3 equals 30. How can we find product of 10 by 3? It's so easy. 10 by 3 put 0. 3 by 1 equals 3. Another example. If I say 5 times 100, 5 by 10, put 0. 5 by 1, 5, 50. 6 by 10, put 0. 6 by 1, 6. This is multiplying by 10. ده يبقى يا حبايبي times 10. ممكن يجيب لي examples by another way بطريقة تانية مختلفة. يقول لي 4 tens يعني tens repeated 4 متكررة 4 dots by dots equal dots. 50 tens equal dots by dots equal dots. 600 tens dots by dots equal dots. It's so easy, my students. What is this number? 4. Tens, write 10 by digits. Put 0. 4 by 1 equal 4. 50 tens dots by dots equal dots. Write 50. Tens, write 10. How can we calculate 50 by 10? ازاي احسب 50 by 10? Down all zeros. اكتب كل الزيروز. This 0 and this 0. 5 by 1 equal 5. 500. 600 tens. Put 600. Goodbye 600. Cancel tens and write it in digits. How can we calculate product of 600 by 10? Put all zeros. نزل كل الزيروز. 1, 2, 3. After this, 6 by 1 equals 6. 6,000. Therefore, my students, I have finished multiplying by 10. After this, multiplying by 100. For example, if I say 100 plus 100 plus 100 equal dots by dots. This is repeated addition. Number بيتكرر. Put 100 times what? Look at number 100. Number 100 repeated how many times in addition? اتكرر كم مرة في البلس؟ 1, 2, 3. 100 times 3. 100 plus 100, 200. Plus 100, 300. 100 plus 100 200 plus 100 300. Therefore 100 times 3 equals 300. أنا أشطر منك يا مستر سامح. أنا هعمل طريقة أسهل. What is this way? 100 by 3 down double zeros. شايفين السمايل فيس ده؟ down 2 zeros. 1 by 3 3 300. Good, my students. Another example. 4 times 100 equal dots. 50 times 100 equal dots. Down 2 zeros. 4 by 1 equal 4. The number now is 400. 50 by hundreds. Down all zeros. 1 2 3. لا استنى تاني يا مستر عشان ده example صعب شوية. 50 times 100. بص يا حبيبي. Down 0 of 50. هذه الزيرو بتاع ال 50. Double 0 of 100. 5 by 1 5. 5000. Good, my students. After this, لما أقول 600 equal dots by dots equal dots. 70 hundreds equal dots by dots equal dots. Okay. 40 hundreds equal dots by dots equal dots. 6 hundreds يعني ال hundreds repeated 6 متكررة 6. Put 6. Cancel 100. Write it in digits. 100 1 00. 6 by 100. Put the 2 zeros. 6 by 1 6. 70 by hundreds. Put 70. Hundreds 1 and 00. Put all zeros. 1 2 3. 7 by 1 7. 7000. 40 hundreds. Put 40. 100 100. 40 by 100. How can we calculate 40 by 100? But all zeros. 1 2 3. 4 by 1 equal 4. 4000. Okay. After this, multiplying by 1000. هناخد time 1000. المستر سامح لما يقول 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 equal dots by dots. It's so easy, my students. ال 1000 repeated 3. But 1000 times ال 1000 repeated how many times? 1 2 3. 1000 times 3. How can we calculate 1000 times 3? It's so easy. But all zeros, put 3 zeros. 3 by 1 equals 3. Good, my students. Okay? Okay, mister. Another example. 5 times 1000 equal dots. 60 by 1000 equal dots. With me, my students, down all zeros. 5 by 1 equal 5. 5000. 60 by 1000. Down all zeros. 1 2 3 4. 6 by 1 equal 6. 60,000. Okay, my students. Now, let's learn multiplying by family of tens and family of hundreds and family of thousands. Family of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Family of 100, 1, 1, but 2 zeros, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Family of 1000, 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000. لما يجي المستر يقول لي 5 by 20 دي صعبة؟ لا سهلة جدا. Put 1 0. Goodbye. 5 by 2 10. 100. 3 by 60. Put 1 0. 3 by 6 equal 18. 180. طب لما يجي المستر يقول لي 4 by 70. Put 1 0. 4 by 7 28. Good. All these examples were talking about multiplying by family of tens. طب multiplying a family of hundreds. 3 times 200. 6 times 700. 9 times 800. It's so easy. Down 2 zeros. 3 by 2, 6. 600. 6 by 700. Down 2 zeros. 6 by 7, 42. 4,200. 9 times 800. Put 2 zeros. 8 by 9, 72. 7,200. Multiplying of 1000, family of 1000. 5 by 3000. Equal dots. 4 by 8000. Equal dots. 9 by 7000. Equal dots. 5 by 3000. Put 3 zeros. 3 by 5 equal 15. 15,000. 4 by 8,000. Down 3 zeros. 4 by 8, 32. 32,000. 9 times 7,000. Put all zeros. 7 by 9, 63. 63,000. طب لو جه المستر يا حبايبي عمل لي نمبر من عيلة التنس تايمز نمبر من عيلة الثاوزند أو عيلة الهندردز. For example 50 times 800. لا دي سهلة خالص. كمان التايم في zeros. The examples is so easy. Down all zeros. 1 2 3. أنزل كل الزيروز. 5 by 8, 40. 300 times 60. Down all zeros. 3 by 6, 18. 18,000. 50 times 2,000. Down all zeros. 1 2 3 4. 5 by 2 10. 100,000. اوكي جميل جدا. لما يجي المستر يقول لي complete 50 times 80 equal dots hundreds. 30 by 60. equal dots tens. 60 by 500 equal dots 1000. حبايبي فاكرين لما كنت أقول لكم 5000 equal dots hundreds يعني 5000 how many hundreds? How many hundreds in 5000? كنا بنكنسل ال hundreds 2 zeros. لو في zeros in the two sides في الناحية في الطرفين cancel 0 cancel 0 cancel 0 cancel 0 but 50. أنا هعمل نفس الفكرة يا حبايبي. لما يقول لي 50 by 80 equal dots hundreds. Find the result of product here. Put 2 zeros. 5 by 8 40. Cancel hundreds. Put 2 zeros. Cross 0 cross 0 cross 0 cross 0. What is the remainder? 40. 30 by 60 equal dots tens. Find the result here. Put double zeros. 3 by 6 18. Cancel tens, put 0. Cross 0 cross 0. What is the remainder? 180. Good. 60 by 500 equal dots 1000. Put all zeros up. 1 2 3. 5 by 6 30. Cancel 1000. 3 zeros. Cross 0 cross 0 cross 0 cross 0 cross 0 cross 0. What is the remainder? 30. Thank you, my students. I have finished multiplying by 10 and 100 and 1000. خلصنا times 10 100 1000. The next section في next section إن شاء الله هناخد multiplying number by number from one digit and multiplying and division by number from one digit. Thank you, my students. Goodbye and good luck.